International appeal, urgent health alert. For over 900 days, former Prime Minister Imran Khan has remained in detention, facing more than 300 cases widely viewed as politically motivated. Many key proceedings have seen little meaningful progress. Today, the concern is no longer only legal. It is medical and urgent. According to a report submitted by the Supreme Court of Pakistan by barrister Salman Safdar, Imran Khan is seriously unwell. His right eye has reportedly lost more than 80% of its vision, with persistent pain and discharge since October and November. Proper, sustained medical treatment has not been ensured. The report further states that over 3 months ago, medical staff at Adiala jail detected a blood clot in his eye and warned of the serious risk of eyesight loss. Despite this, sustained, specialized, and transparent medical treatment has not been ensured. Central retinal complications can lead to irreversible blindness without immediate specialist care, continuous monitoring, and regular follow-ups. These are not optional measures. They are critical medical requirements. Despite this, he remains in prolonged isolation with restricted access to family, lawyers, and independent doctors. A late-night hospital visit under guard without transparency or independent oversight cannot substitute for proper medical care. International human rights law, including the UN Nelson Mandela rules, require timely treatment, independent medical evaluation, and humane custodial conditions. These standards are not discretionary. This is no longer a political debate. It is a matter of health, dignity, and the risk of permanent harm. We respectfully urge the United Nations, international human rights organizations, and democratic governments to press for immediate, independent medical access, full transparency, and compliance with international law. Every delay increases the risk. Every hour now matters.